Although the length of the rods are the exact same, the ends, however, are not. On the OEM one, the ball seats at this end all snug and perfectly, but it doesn't fit on the aftermarket one at all. And here's the finished product. You can see I transferred the old retaining tab onto the new one. Same on the other side. So JZX90 Chaser uses a SC300 trunk struts. The Mark II does not use SC300 trunk struts. Found that out the hard way. They are different lanes, it won't work. So the only option left was to go into the import market. I googled Toyota Mark II trunk struts. AliExpress popped up. I searched for the cheapest one there. 27 bucks for a set of trunk struts. So a few weeks later, they shipped the struts over, and as you can see, it was not a direct fit, and I had to do some modifications to it. But for 27 bucks, can't really complain. You know, I'll take it. If it works, it works. But I'll also put a link to an OEM one in the description if you guys do want to spend the extra bucks to buy it and not worry about any, you know, any cutting or any swapping any parts over. It'll be a direct fit, no hassle. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a like if this video helped you out. So if you know of any cars with trunk struts that fit the JZX90 Mark II, feel free to share in the comment below. Either way, hopefully this video was helpful to you. I will catch you later.